Let's see if our Gen Z office can figure out how to use a typewriter.
Yeah, there's white keys, black keys. Yeah, you just do this. I think I broke it.
Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Did I do it right?
Can you use it?
Is it gonna fucking shock my fingers?
Yeah, dude, because it's so much electricity, isn't it?
All right. I know I'm being like set up here in some
What do you
regard.
mean? Okay, let's see what he wrote. What do you think in the comments
I
down
didn't
below?
write fucking nut.
All right, now let's ask our boomer coworker. You really botched it. Wow.